All right, guys, this training is one of the last ones to get all the right pieces set up, and then your funnel and your offer and everything would be good to go to start for you to start promoting this. And again, remember, we want to keep this all really simple because you can always adjust and build and add on to this as you go. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to direct your domain at ClickFunnels, and it's really simple. All right. So when you've bought it in Namecheap, all you're going to do is go to domain list. I got to sign in to mine. Okay. So see, I have all these domains. I have a lot of domains. So what you want to do is you want to pick the domain that you want to send. So the one I used before was, let me see if I can do, I've sent a lot of these domains already to ClickFunnels. So you're going to pick your domain. So let's say it's Bradley, BradleyDillon.com. Actually, let me do ConnorBradley.com because I showed you that one earlier. So you're just going to click manage that domain. And this is loading. So while that's loading, I'm going to show you what to do in ClickFunnels. So you're in your ClickFunnels dashboard and you want to go over to your account details, go over to domains. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on add new domain. Okay. And you're going to, instead of saying register a new domain, ClickFunnels actually gives you one free domain when you sign up. So you can use that, but I recommend using Namecheap because it makes it easier to control your domain. So you're going to do add an existing domain. Okay. And then all you do is just type in the domain. So for this one, it would be ConnorBradley.com. Connor Bradley's my brother, by the way. He helps a lot with the graphic design stuff. .com. Okay. Then you would click add domain. And I've already added this, but I'm just going to walk through this with you. So, it says I've already set up ConnorBradley.com, but this is so that's fine, right? This is the part you need to know. So the great thing is they do have a lot of instructions that you can follow if you need them, and if you're using a different registrar, domain registrar, and things like that. But what you need to know is this right here. You're going to add CNAME record that goes to target.clickfunnels.com. So what you want to do is you want to copy target.clickfunnels.com, right? Just Control C on a PC. You're going to go over to your domain. Okay. Now we're going to go over to Advanced DNS, right? And you'll see it's already installed. But if you were to add a new record, you want to just say add new record, and you'd say CNAME. Then the host, you'd put www, and the target, you would paste target.clickfunnels.com, and then you would just make sure it says automatic, and you click that check mark. Okay, so you're going to do that, and it'll appear up here like this. So that one's already set up there. Okay, so what that will do is then it will direct you over to, then that will get set up, right? It'll start pointing your domain to ClickFunnels. You don't have to worry about the tech stuff, but that's what it does. Okay, so then you just click, yeah, I've done this step. All right, then it goes and checks. So the reason why this error page is coming up for me is because I've already installed this domain, right? But what it'll tell you is it'll be like success, you've installed the domain. So let me go back over to the domains. And as you'll see here, go down here, ConnorBradley.com. It says it's secured, right? And if it's not verified, what you can do is you can go and click on verify and all that stuff. So once it's secured, once you see it's here, so let me maybe try with this one, Jungle Fit Life. Let me click verify and see if it's verified. There we go. So if you do that, all you have to do is click verify, and if the domain's pointing in the right place, it will work. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to go click on these dots right here and hit edit. And this is where you manage your domain. This is where you can set like a 404 page. You can set different, you can do a lot of different stuff. But you want to go down here to SSL, to expand. And yours will say enable SSL. So let me see if I can find a domain that's not enabled, just so you can see the example. Right, hopefully that would help. So let's go over to, I clicked on Jungle Fit Life. Click on this, hit edit, SSL, so expand, Oh, it's enabled for that domain. Jeez, I guess I'm really good at setting up this stuff. But anyways, you just want to hit enable. And it might take a little bit, but what that'll do is it gives you this HTTPS, so it secures the domain rather than HTTP, right? And that's just good to have. So you want to make sure you do it, and you can check back to get that set up. And if you need help, you can always just reach out to ClickFunnels, and they typically will be able to help you out pretty well. So that is now your domain. So when it looks like this, right? It's verified, it's secured. Then, well, actually, I could probably do this one right here, BrandlyBros.com. So it's verified but not secured. So let's see if I can secure it. Yep, this is what it looks like. Add SSL. And they've initiated the SSL, so it may take 10 to 15 minutes before the SSL is complete. All right, so we're just going to be like, okay, that's cool. Now we want to go to, get out of there. Okay, so now we want to go to our funnels because we want to, we'll go back over to our funnels, and we want to, let's see, I had shared funnels. So this was the one we worked on earlier. This might be in a different group for yours, but I'm going to show you how you can do this. So this is the funnel, and see how it has this domain on there, dylanbradley.clickfunnels.com. We want to put our domain. So we're going to go over to settings, and then you see how it says domain. And since Connor was the one we used, we'll just do connorbradley.com. Okay. And you can always change the group if you want to put it in a different group, things like that. But you're just going to go down here and hit save and update settings. Okay, so then, okay, so now what you'll see is it says connorbradley.com/opt-in C4. You see, you know, all those numbers. So ClickFunnels automatically generates something for that. All you have to do is go over here to publishing, and we'll name it. So see how it says the funnel step name? That's that one right there. And the path, that was a weird number. So we're just going to call this free ebook, right? Free ebook. And we're just going to call this one, you know, free ebook. Okay. Hit update. See, now it changed to that one. And there's one more place we want to change that. So I can just copy this so we get the spelling right. We don't type it in again. Control C. You will go down to here, the split test settings, and see how it says the path is this opt-in 2317142. Just copy that, paste free ebook, hit update. So now what this does is, and we can just copy this, and when I put this here, boom, look at that. So that's what it should show up for yours, right? Sometimes there can be little issues, or it might take a little bit, but that's how it should show up for yours. So very cool, right? Now, we need to make sure our thank you page is set up, and we want to make sure that we need to copy this link for our other things. So we're going to go to thank you page here for our share button. Remember that? And see how it says thanks, all those numbers. You don't have to change it on the thanks, but you can. You can just say thanks, right? Thank you, right? Update funnel step. And one thing to notice is, see how it says thank you? I typed in thank you and it has these other letters. What that means is it's not a unique path. So you can't have two pages with the same path name, because then it gets, you know, things get bad. So ClickFunnels will automatically add more letters. So we can just say, if we don't want to have those letters on it, thank you for downloading, something like that. All right, it's not that big of a deal at this point in time for this. Okay, thank you for downloading. I'll just copy, you know, I don't want to copy that right now. I'll just say thank you for downloading. Thank you for downloading. Okay, update page. Now we want to make sure we have this copied. So we want to copy this URL here. So we're going to copy that because we're going to use that to update our sharing. So we're going to go thanks. We're going to go to edit page. And we're going to go over to this button right here, the sharing. And we're going to paste that link. We're gonna save it. Very cool. Okay. And that's it, right? Your funnel's pretty much set up and good to go. It should be. So this video is going to end because now your custom, we sent your custom domain from Namecheap to ClickFunnels. We then pointed it at your funnel. So your funnel that we worked to build and have your lead magnet and all that stuff set up is now good to go. So the last thing that we need to do is we need to finally, we need to do a full check of the whole funnel. So the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full check of the funnel and show you a few areas that are commonly missed to then finalize your funnel and polish it off, and then you'll be able to start sharing this link. Okay, so stay tuned to the next.